Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Bybit. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Bybit website right here, bybit.com. If you're not already, once you open it up, you're going to go and be greeted by this home page. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store on your phone, open up the App Store, search for Bybit, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, you are going to go ahead and follow the same process. Doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the application, is going to go exactly the same. So first things first, we're going to go and log into our account right here. If you do not already have an account, you're going to have the sign up option. It's going to enable you to create an account if you need one. So once you have created your account, you can go and log in normally. And now we can go ahead and access the trade section right here. So as you can see at the top of the screen, you're going to have the trade section from where we can access the trading portal and find NVIDIA stock right here. So you're going to go ahead and be able to access it in this menu. So access the latest trading opportunities, from where we are going to use the search button right here and search for NVIDIA. Once you open up NVIDIA, it's going to look like this, NVIDIA USDT. You're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at the price of the token and of the stock and how to get started getting into it. And here at the right side of the screen, as you can see after logging in, you are going to have the buy option. It's going to show you the prices, you're going to be able to see the limits and so on, how much you want to invest. And just like this, you can go ahead and get started buying NVIDIA stock and adding it to your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.